everyone, I'm immigration attorney Ann Sedki, and today's topic is going to be about applying for a student visa to the United States. I get a lot of questions from people who are already here in the United States. I also get calls from people who are overseas who are looking to actually come to the United States to study. And that is what the F-1 student visa is all about. So let's talk a little bit about what the student visa allows you to do and how we can apply for it. So as I said, there are a lot of people who would like to come to the United States to continue their education in the United States. This could be undergraduate study at a university. It could be to complete your master's degree or maybe to actually get a PhD. If you're looking to come to the United States to study, there are two ways that you can actually do that. Now, some people actually have a non-immigrant visitor visa, for instance, to come to the United States and visit. Now, if you are here and you're looking to actually apply for a student visa while you are here, you're actually going to be applying for a change of status from the visa status that you're in to an F-1 student status. If you are looking to come to the United States on the visa, then you would apply for it through a U.S. embassy in your native country. So these are the two ways that we can actually apply for it. And of course, depending on your situation and after you consult with an attorney, they will let you know which is the better way to apply. If you are coming here to study, then you are going to want to look at how to fulfill the requirements in order for you to obtain the visa. And there are different steps that you need to actually take in order to secure it from either the U.S. Embassy in your country or to successfully do the change of status in the United States. So my first recommendation is to always research the schools in the state that you are looking to attend. So if you are, for instance, I'm in New York, if you are looking to come to New York to enroll in a university or a college here, then you're going to want to get in touch with that college or university and understand what kind of program that you want to enroll in and understand from the student advisor, normally known as a designated school advisor, in order to understand what are the steps in order to enroll. And generally speaking, it requires you to fill out an application, pay the necessary fees, and then get the acceptance letter from the school. Now, once you actually know which school you want to attend and which program you'll be enrolled in, and it's important to note that the schools have to actually be pre-approved by USCIS because the school will then notify USCIS and issue something called an I-20, which is going to be very important in either doing a change of status in the United States to F-1 or to securing a visa from a U.S. embassy. In order for you to get that I-20, you also need to pay the CVIS fee. And then once all of that is done, then we can successfully secure the visa for you or do your change of status in the United States. It's important to know that when you are applying for an F-1 visa, that you have to be enrolled in full-time study. It is not allowed, especially in the first year of enrolling in a school, that you be part-time and also be working. Now, some people that have come to me have suggested or wanted to go to school and work, but this is actually in violation of an F-1 visa. You must be enrolled in full-time study for at least that first year. And then there are ways that you can actually apply for work authorization on campus or off campus, which we can definitely talk about in another video more in detail. It's also important to remember that the F-1 student visa is still considered a non-immigrant intent visa. And what that means is that you're coming to the United States for a temporary purpose, that purpose being to study in the United States. You're not able to work on it, and you have to also make arrangements to return to the United States once your studies have been completed. Unless, of course, you can find a way to extend your stay in the United States or to change to perhaps a green card. But it's very important to plan ahead of time and to also to show immigration that you have the finances to pay for your studies, your room and board, and any other miscellaneous expenses you might have in the United States. And you have to also show them that you intend to return once you have completed your studies. I hope that you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.